At Sodexo, our ambition is to be the global leader in sustainable food and valued experiences. CSR has always been central to our approach and our mission, ever since our creation in 1966. Since the beginning, we have been a pioneer in sustainability. In the 1990s in the United States, our employees created Stop Hunger to provide people in need with food aid. At the start of the 2000s, we joined the United Nations Global Compact and conducted our first global employee engagement survey. In 2007, we were one of the first French companies to appoint a global chief diversity officer reporting directly to the group CEO. 2009, we reached a new milestone by implementing our ambitious CSR roadmap, the Better Tomorrow Plan. The following year, we started our collaboration with WWF, followed by numerous other partnerships to get our entire ecosystem engaged alongside us. In 2015, our first internal gender balance study confirmed the positive link between gender balance and both financial and non-financial performance. 2019, Sodexo was one of the first companies to have its carbon emissions reduction target approved by the Science Based Targets Initiative (SBTi). Today, we are using these solid foundations to speed things up and go even further. For our employees, because working at Sodexo is more than a job, we use a powerful employer promise: belong, act, thrive. And because we are trailblazers in our sector, we launched Vita in 2023, our global employee benefits program, which will be deployed in at least 60% of the countries where we operate by the end of 2024. All the while continuing to promote a zero-accident health and safety mindset and defending diversity, equity and inclusion across and beyond our company. And for the planet? Well, we are the first company in our sector to have committed to achieving net zero by 2040, a target recently approved by the SBTi. To achieve this, we are applying 4 key levers. First, our products, by working closely with our suppliers on reducing the impact that the supply chain has on biodiversity and developing local sourcing. Then, cooking, so that 70% of our meals are low carbon by 2030. Then, our energy consumption, to have 100% renewable electricity in our direct operations by 2025. And finally, waste, by aiming for 50% food waste reduction by 2025, thanks to our Waste Watch program. Today, these CSR commitments are a reality in the countries in which we operate. For our employees, their safety, their development, and their engagement. And for society as a whole, but also for the planet, thanks to progress being made in reaching our various targets toward net zero in terms of emissions, investment in SMEs, investment in renewable electricity, and reduction in food waste. And we are not stopping there.